Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. So today we will be seeing correlation and types of correlation. We have already seen what is regression and correlation and how they are, what is the difference between them. The link will be in the description for that video. So today we will be seeing in detail what is correlation, what are different types of correlation. So let us start the video. So as the name indicates, correlation means finding out the relationship. So it is a process to establish whether there is a relationship between two variables and what is the type of that relationship. So we can describe how the data set are related to the variables among themselves. So to plot the correlation, generally scatter plot is used where the x and y axis is present. So the x and y axis are used to denote the variables, whereas the dot represent the data points which will represent the relationship among that variables. So we'll see an example. So here we have a scatter plot for education and income. So on x-axis education is plotted, whereas on y-axis the income is plotted. So we can see that somebody with around 6.2 years of education makes roughly $3,000 per year. So here is the income. So the person who is having 6 to 6 we can say 6 or 8, these are the education. So the person who is having 6.2 years of education is making roughly $3,000. This is the first point which is plotted. So similarly there are different data points present here. So the person who is having education of 16 years, he is having highest income, that is $25,000 per year. So these data points show the relationship among the variables and the variables are plotted on x and y axis. So correlation is used to find out the relationship among the two variables. So what are the types of correlation? Generally there are two types of correlation. First is the positive, negative or no correlation, and the second correlation is linear or curvilinear correlation. So generally these types are used whenever we are saying normal language, positive, negative and no correlation. But how it is being carried out, we'll see in the further slide. So what is positive correlation? When the value of one value increases with respect to the another, it is known as a positive correlation. Like if the temperature, like if we consider the sales of bread and butter, so if the sale of bread is increasing, then definitely the sale of butter will increase. So this is a type of positive correlation since they two are interrelated among each other. Next is negative correlation. It's vice versa or positive, like when the value of one variable is decreasing with respect to another. Like if we are purchasing bread, then definitely we will not go for sugar. If we are purchasing the bread, we will purchase milk or we will purchase butter, we will purchase jam. So negative correlation means the value of the one variable decreases with respect to the another. Means the value, if we say for example, if we are adding something, the value will get increasing. But if we are decreasing something, we are decreasing the sales amount from the total, then the sales amount will get decreasing. So this is a negative correlation. No correlation means there is no relationship among the variables. The two variables are not at all related to each other. Such type of relationship is known as no correlation. So the generally the correlation coefficient lies between -1 to +1. So if it is 0, then there is a zero correlation, means there is no correlation. If it is from 0 to +1, it is a positive correlation, and if it is from 0 to -1, it is a negative correlation. So if it is +1, then the two variables are positively correlated. They are truly correlated, and if it is -1, they are perfectly negatively correlated. So this is a positive, negative and no correlation. The next type is linear or curvilinear correlation. So what is this? It is a ratio of change between the two variables either in the same direction or in opposite direction. And the graphical representation of one variable with respect to the another variable is a straight line. So here the two variables will vary in same direction or in opposite direction. Means if one, the sales of bread is increasing, then the sale of butter is also increasing. So it will establish a linear relationship in straight line. Vice versa, if the sale of bread is decreasing, then the sale of butter will decrease. So the both variable are increasing or decreasing, but in the same direction. It's not the case that if bread is increasing, then butter is decreasing. It will be in, it is not a type of linear or curvilinear correlation. If the both variables are increasing or decreasing, but in the same direction, then it is known as linear or curvilinear correlation. So these are the two types of correlation. So here in this session we have discussed what is correlation and what are the type of correlation. So in the further videos we will be seeing how the correlation coefficient will be calculated and how positive, negative, linear correlation are affected and how the variables are interrelated. So thank you for watching the videos. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section and do subscribe my channel for such videos. Thank you.